All right, here we go. We got session 4 refined. You're watching this during the jukebox time machine because you need some help, and I'm not in there with you. So hopefully this helps you out, or you're watching this because you might be absent and you need a little bit of help on this. So subtracting decimals, refining, here we go. We got Jenny. She's testing different designs for a paper airplane contest. Her first plane, so the first plane that she flies, goes 6 and 18 hundredths meters. Okay. Her second plane flies 10 and 7 tenths meters. How much farther? Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. How much farther? Right there. That lets me know subtraction. How much farther does Jenny's second plane fly than her first plane? Show your work. I'm going to be using the place value chart for this. That's our solving strategy. It's a straight line across, 3 lines down, squishing a little decimal. Let's see, I need to go out to my tens place. So there's my ones, there's my tens, and let's label this tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Then let's put these numbers in here. The larger one's got to go on top. This is 10 wholes, so it's larger, and 7 tenths. And this is 6 wholes and 18 hundredths. And I need to find the difference. I need to find how much farther, so I'm going to be subtracting. Just like in class, we talked about adding a 0 here, so the 8 doesn't feel left out. Remember, you're not doing 8 take away 0. You're starting up here and doing 0 take away 8, and you can't do that. You got to come over here. You're going to steal from that guy, and then you're going to bring that over there. Now, 10 take away 8. I'm going to count up. I'm going to go 8, 9, 10. That's 2. 6 take away 1, 5. 10 take away 6 is 4. I did that in class, and somebody was like, "Hey, how did Mr. E, you had to regroup?" Well, I'll regroup from there and bring that over there, and it's 10 take away 6 is 4. That was just saving me time the first time. So the question was, how much farther does Jenny's second plane fly than her first? So Jenny's second plane flies 4 and 52 hundredths. Oh man. Oh well. Meters farther than her first. There you go. Nice. Nice crisp little answer there for Jenny's paper airplane endeavors. All right. Next page. I'll do the same thing where I do a couple and then stop the video so it's not super long. And we'll go from there. So he pays $3.63 for a gallon of milk. Okay, he pays that much for a gallon of milk, and then $7.79 for a 64-ounce jar of peanut butter. Ooh, then look at this. He uses a coupon to get $1.25 off the price of the peanut butter. How much does Bruno pay for the milk and the peanut butter? So some people might just be tempted to take the $3.63 and add it to the $7.79, but that's not the problem, is it? That's not the problem. This $7.79 jar of peanut butter is actually not $7.79 because he's got a coupon here. So I need to find what the jar of peanut butter actually costs. There's multiple ways of doing this. I'm gonna start by subtracting. Ooh, I need to make this a little bit longer. I'm gonna start by subtracting the coupon value away from the jar of peanut butter, and then I'll add the discounted jar of peanut butter to the gallon of milk. I guess you definitely could add these two and then subtract away um, the coupon. That's definitely okay as well. But I'm going to do it like this because that's just how I'm feeling right now. Saving money first. $7.79. Take away the price of the coupon, which is $1.25. So we got 9 hundredths. Take away 5 hundredths. That gives us 4. We could count up. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 4. 7 take away 2 is going to give me 5. And then 7 take away 1 is going to give me 6. So the price of the peanut butter is $6.54. So I'm looking for how much does Bruno pay for the milk and the peanut butter. So that's actually an addition problem. Interesting, they snuck that in there on us, didn't they? They thought we would get tripped up, but we're not going to. Straight line across, 3 lines down, squish a little decimal in there. I need to go out to my ones place value. Then I got my tenths, my hundredths, thousandths, and then here we go. My discounted price, $6.54, plus the price of the gallon of milk, $3.63. Let's see what we got. 4 hundredths plus 3 hundredths is 7. 5 tenths plus 6 tenths is 11 tenths. I've got to regroup that. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So it goes 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1 is 10. So there we go. That means that he spent, so Bruno spent $10.17 for the milk and peanut butter. Okay. Well, hopefully that helps you guys out, and hopefully you were able to make some sense of that problem. And I will close this video and then do a couple more problems. See you.